Jet here to demonstrate how to provision your Yealink phone using their web interface. Provisioning is necessary for your phone to communicate with your network. Before beginning, it is worth noting that if you purchased your phone from GoTo, it is shipped ready to use with one-touch activation. The description of this video includes a video link demonstrating how one-touch activation works. This video is for provisioning your phone in all other situations. Before you can provision your phone, you must do three things. First, create a device profile for your phone in the admin portal. Second, verify that you have assigned the phone's MAC address to the device profile. The MAC address is a unique 12-digit identification code typically found on the back of the device. And third, verify that you have properly plugged in your phone. Be sure to view our online resources if you have questions about any of those steps. Before we can access Yealink's web interface, we need to retrieve the IP address from your phone. I'm using a Yealink T33G for this process. If you're using a different Yealink model, the steps should be very similar. If they are not the same, search on the internet for instructions on how to find the IP address for your phone model. To locate the IP address, begin by tapping the menu key. Select Status. Now you see your IP address. You'll want to write that down for easy reference. To complete the provisioning process, you must know your domain name and your device password. If you're a GoTo Connect customer, those can be accessed in GoTo Admin by an admin or super admin. GoTo Admin can be accessed at this site. After logging into GoTo Admin, click the Settings icon. Click the Account Settings section. Select the Account Settings tab. From the General section, we can see the account domain name here. Now, let's take care of finding the device password. Click the Devices icon. Here are the devices that are currently assigned to your system. Search for and select the applicable device. Select the Settings tab. From the General section, you can see the device password here. You may need to click the eyeball icon to make the password visible. To access Yealink's web interface, open an incognito Chrome window. In the address bar, enter your IP address. If the site doesn't load initially, enter https:// before the phone's IP address. Also, a security warning may appear when you attempt to log in. You can choose to ignore it and proceed to the site. You'll now want to log in. Type admin, all in lowercase, in the username field. Now, enter your device password to log in. This is the device password we located just a moment ago in GoTo Admin. If your device password is not working, try the default, which is admin, all in lowercase. Click the Login button when you're ready to proceed. There's a lot of information on the site, and I'll help you navigate to only the sections you need to address to provision your phone. Select Settings. Then select Auto Provision. Now locate the server URL field. If you are a GoTo Connect customer, type in the phrase you see here. For the domain section, enter your unique domain name. We obtained this a moment ago from GoTo Admin. If you are not a GoTo Connect customer, contact your system admin to find out what the server URL is for your phone service provider. Once completed, scroll the screen down, then select Auto Provision Now. Finally, click OK. your phone should reboot automatically now to implement the changes. If it does not, remove the power source from your phone, wait 60 seconds, and then plug it back in to power cycle the device. That's all there is to using Yealink's web interface to provision your phone.
Thank you for watching the video. I've included links to additional videos about GoTo's products and features in case you want to learn more.